Welcome to the Scavenger Hunt program. It can be found here on the Trafalgar Math Programs page. If you haven't logged in before, click on this help video. It will show you how to log in, how to make a password. I've been here a few times, so I'm just going to put in my information. Going to the Scavenger Hunt page. You should find a list of your teachers, find your teacher, click on them, and then you have a list of all of the scavenger hunts that they've made. I've been assigned the My Test SH for Scavenger Hunt. The Scavenger Hunt program uses your location in order to ask you questions. To use your location, you have to make sure that you've turned on permissions on your device. I'm going to go into my settings. Here's security and privacy. I'm going to privacy, which is over here. I am going to make sure enable location services is on. I'm using Google Chrome. I'm telling Google Chrome that it can use my location. The other thing we would have to do in Google Chrome, down at the end here, I'm just going to go to the settings down here. I'm going to put in location. Site settings controls what information sites can use. webhost.trafalgar.qc.ca. That's the math programs. Location, I set it to allow. We're ready to use the Scavenger Hunt math programs. Go to settings. Go down a little bit until you find privacy. You're going to go to location services and make sure that's turned on. Then we're going to go back to settings, keep going down until you find Safari. In Safari, go down to the bottom. Just near the bottom you have location. Make sure that Safari is allowing you to use location. If you do those two steps, then you'll be able to use your phone to use the Scavenger Hunt program. The program's just trying to find where you're located, and once it does, it should zoom in like this. It tells you how far away you are. So I'm 20 meters away from the location of the first question, so I have to walk in the direction it's telling me. When I get to within 20 meters of that point, and there is the question. Find the length of side A, round your answer to the nearest hundredth. I have my answer in my calculator. I need to round that to the nearest hundredth. The 3 tells the 9 to stay a 9, and decimeters, and then enter. Yay. Question 2 appeared right away because I'm right on top of where it is, and it's saying, how does this sculpture make you feel? Okay, so as you might imagine, there's no right answer for this, so anything you answer will be accepted. Have my answer. Period. It makes me feel like summertime in Vermont. Period. Return. Any answer is correct. Then the third question, okay, once again, I was right on top of the third question, so it came up automatically. What is this? It's a slinky. And that is also correct. Scavenger hunt has been completed. So you get a little bit of feedback, finish the scavenger hunt, and that is it for the scavenger hunt. That's how you do it. That is it. Have a good day.